today we're going to a hotel, guys. I got my favorite stuff. This is Jazz. She's a car. And then look at this. See?
Happy New Year! Lucian, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Lucian, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year po! Happy New Year, guys! Bye, guys! See you later! Guys, Ate is brushing teeth today. And this is Tata. She's just sitting down. Now we're going to our hotel, guys. We're in the car, guys. And I got my earphone ready. Oh my gosh, there is 60 floors! Oh my gosh, where is my mom?
Hey!
Hi, we are here and the building are 50 floors!
"38th floor.
Who's that? Lucian! Hi, Lucian! Hi, Lucian! Love you, Lucian! No. Sleep. Lucas, say hi.
Oh, hi! Who are you?
Happy
Who
New
are you?
Year.
Happy New Year!
So cool.
We are in the hotel.
The hotel.
We are in the hotel.
Yes.
This is my room.
Yes. Wow. Oh. Ganda, no? Maliit pero maganda. Ano siyan? Oh.
Mommy. Guys, let's wait. We're going to swim. No!
Move down. Shano! Tuwis! Kapita mo agad, yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Pag nalaglag yan dyan, magsisisigaw ka lang. Hindi ka makakatulong. Hindi to jump in, ha? Pag nakita mo nahihirapan sila, nalulunod yung mga kapatid mo, ha? Hindi naka-cellphone ka for emergency, ha? Dito okay lang, watch them. Minsan mapapahiga yan. No, siya, no. You okay, Lucas?
Yeah.
You're not scared? Huh?
Can you record?
Yeah. You're not scared?
1, 2, 3, record!
You're not scared?
Record.
Cold, right? You're not scared?
Are you recording?
Yes.
Guys, it's so cold in here. What's this?
Chowking High Top. Yan. Dito ako dati nag-work. Chowking. Balik na tayo. Bumili na ako. Castaños. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Lucian. And Lucas and Ate. Happy New Year.
Happy morning.
Happy New Year.
Morning.
Happy New Year, Lucian.
Happy New Year!
And this is the vlogger, Lucas. What's he doing?
Can you do video me? I am watching them.
Init. Init ang buga.
Yan na.
Ay, na. Oh. Stop fighting, please.
So ako naniniwala more than ever that life is short. Magsisuko ang buhay. Magsisuko ang Panginoon. Huwag na kayong magdala ng pag-aakit.
How's they doing?
I'm up. Dad!
Oh my gosh, that's scary!
I can find you.
Firework? Where's the firework, Shan?
I don't know.
Lot. Later. There's gonna be a lot of fireworks.
Yeah!
Lucas, come in. Oh, a lot of fireworks. Wala na. Lucian, don't climb, ha?
I can see anything.
Wala naman. Pares lang doon sa kabila.
Wala pa naman dito sa loob.
Kaya nga, kulit nyo eh. Later, come on. Let's go back. No more, later. Later. Mamaya pa. A lot?
Yeah!
Later is gonna be a lot.
Look at that! Boom, 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 boom.
A lot? A lot, right?
Yeah.
Later is gonna be a lot there. Oh, there. Boom, boom. Later, we're gonna go out there. Countdown. Hold lang siya, na. Come here, Sean. Sit down. Here, sit down. And hold closer. Oh, closer. Sit down, Sean. Upo ka doon sa dulo. Taas talaga yan. Lulula din ako. Parang hinihigop ka na. Sit down there. Sean. Lukas ha? Lukas ha? Mamaya pa, hindi ko mauusap. Yeah, I'll be doing it.
That's so much fireworks today, guys! That's my wonderful.
Ah, Sean?
So big! So big!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy birthday!
Happy New Year, Ma'am!
It's my
Happy New Year, kiss!
birthday!
Sean, Happy New Year, kiss! Happy New Year! Ayun na.
Oh my God!
Sean, say Happy New Year!
Happy birthday!
Happy New Year!
Happy birthday!
Not happy birthday, Happy New Year!
Happy
Happy New
Blue?
Year!
Yay! My surprise!
No, your classmates will give you gifts.
Lucian, no! Lucian! Lucian!
Day. Okay, lay down eh. Sean. Lay.
You have plenty
Gulo mo.
of gifts on your birthday.
Hi. We are sleeping right now. And sleep right now, or I will make you die.
What you saying, ha?
So silly. Saying God.
Sweetie!
The video gets
Happy New Year! Oh my gosh! Good night, everyone! Good night! Good night! Hey! Isipit, ma'am. Lucas! Lucas! Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year, Lucas! New Year!
kantahan ba? Maingat at maingay gamit ang Toroto. Ayaw pagkwento ng kasiyahan sa pagsulubog sa Panginoon, ang mga mamaya sa unang balita.
Sana umulan para bumagsak na siya, diba?
Medyo ba tayo pagsabi?
Para makalimutan ng fireworks system para sa pagkalunan sa bagong taon.
First day of the year. Ano?
Good morning, ma'am. At pakisabi na rin po ka sa Happy New Year po. Thank you po sa lahat ng tulong. Sana po makatulong.
Basement 5.